even is that?
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Kyle the Tool Rambler here, and this is going to be a quick one. I was cleaning out some toolboxes and I discovered that I've got quite a few of these oddball tools. They are, I guess you'd call them offset screwdrivers. Some of them are flat on both ends. Some of them have flat on one end, Phillips on the other. Some of them have Phillips on both ends. I thought I had, yeah, these over here have Phillips on both ends. So yeah, where do they come from? I don't ever remember buying these. The only thing I can think of is maybe when you buy a pack of screwdrivers, these might be included in it just to kind of fluff up the tool count. This one here, it's hard to read, but it does say Husky on it. I don't know if it'll focus, but trust me, it says Husky right there. I can barely read it and I'm not looking through the camera. The rest of these do not have a maker's mark on them at all. These two seem to be similar. They are Phillips. There's a big, like a number 2 and a number 1 maybe. These over here have like a number 2 Phillips on one side and this one's slightly offset, a flathead, but you can see it's not, it's, you know, like 5 or 6 degrees off from being parallel to the handle, whereas this one is pretty much parallel to the handle. But other than that, they appear to be the same tool. They were just manufactured differently. This one, different brand, I guess, because it doesn't really, it's smaller than that one. Same thing here. This one's a lot smaller in diameter. So it seems like we have different manufacturers here. One of the other things I noticed, you've got, this one has one that is perpendicular to the handle, and then this one, the blade is parallel to the handle. I have 2 of those. So I guess if you're in a tight spot and the screw is that way, you can, I don't know, get in there. So, and this one is just like a number 2 Phillips and then a flathead that is perpendicular to the handle. So yeah, why do I have all of these? And something else I've noticed, this is, of course, the icon. If you look at it, you're not gaining anything. They are pretty much the same length. You might have a little bit more clearance up here because the head sticks out more if you line these two up. But it seems to me this would be a lot easier to do whatever you're going to do with one of these. But yeah, where do these come from? How many do you guys have? I've got tons of these. This is not even the full collection. I'm sure if I dug around in the rest of these drawers and toolboxes, I'd find a lot more. But yeah, what do you call these? Do you have a bunch of these? Do you find them interesting? Do you ever use them? I don't think I've ever used one in my life. I'm 55 years old and all they do is take up space. So just an oddball I thought I'd throw in there. What do you guys call them? I call them offset screwdrivers, and I don't know why I have them, but just a subject of conversation. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to hear what you have to say. Talk to you later. Ramble on.